Welcome again to Bromark Farms. It's been a while since I did a video. We've been just busy. Haven't had time to do this. I just want to give you an update on where we are and on the project of the restoration of the 1969 Holiday Rambler, 27 foot. Just let you know where we're at. Okay? Let's go inside here, show you what we've done. So far, let me turn a light on here. We got some power. She's on her own here. We've got the lights in the ceiling. This is what the couch looks like, the living room area. Got a little macrame right there, kind of in style here. Still waiting to get the 8-track fixed. And got curtains up. There we go. Got the refrigerator in. Got where the stove goes at. Now it'll be a drop-in stove. We got the hood right here. She's on her own power, so we'll give her a little light right there. We got the working on the kitchen cabinet here. I'll put a picture right up in here, or I'll put it over here to show you what it looks like. And I didn't, because I drilled the holes. We're doing the plumbing right now, so I'm underneath trying to fight that plumbing. But we got the water tank in. We just haven't put it in yet. There's my electrical box, and I got the electrical box inside the cabinet. I got to put a switch right here for the bedroom. But yeah, that's for the stove. Got us a light right here. Of course, you know the bed will go right here, underneath right here, in this area right here. So we got the bathroom wall up, and of course we're going working on the bathroom door. Got the shelf in, or well, not the shelf, the dresser door. And we got the cabinets up here. See what it looks like from this end right here. There you go. Yeah. And then, of course, we got a bathroom right here. Bathroom door goes on this right here. And let me show you what the bathroom door looks like right here. Bathroom door looks something like that, right there. That's the way that look right there. And yeah. Let me turn the light on from back here. There's the cabinet we got in there. That's the closet. And there's the potty we chose. It's a porta potty. It locks in. We put a little base there in the bottom, locks in. It's a cassette toilet. That's all I chose to do with. That way all we're going to do with is the black tank, not the black tank, but the gray tank. Got a hot water heater here. Instant tank water heater right here. Okay. And then, of course, we got the vanity in right here. Once again, like that. Here. See? We got the tub in. And got the vanity in. We're waiting on countertops now to get in. We'll get the countertop for this one done, and we'll get the countertop for the refrigerator done at the same time. And see the vanity, and the stovetop here gets a yellow top right here, cover right here. And then I'll show you once again up in the picture up there about what this looks like right here. But yeah, that's where we are. Tried to get it done by Labor Day, but still hacking at it. I'm underneath doing the plumbing right now. Overall, Miss Cindy and I are happy with it. Of course, we had a lot going on. We got springtime going on. Everything was being harvested. Got corn going on, sunflowers going on, turkeys for processing turkeys, and baby rabbits are being born. And look, check out this table right here. That's a pew, an old church pew right there. That's the back right there, and here's the seat. Isn't that neat? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, yeah. All the power's on. She's on her own. She's been upgraded to a 50 amp. So yeah. Yeah, that's where we are. I just want to give you a little update there on what's going on, okay? I didn't leave y'all. It's just been busy. Okay? Got a empty stairway there. And we're working on the body. Of course, you know, we got something called all metal going in here to fill in the dents and the holes and what have you. So, and we've been sanding on it. Got it pretty much sanded down enough to get ready to paint it. That's what we've been all the way around. We put some Flex Seal up on top. We're going to put a coat of Flex Seal up there. And we're going to paint that, see what that does with that. Somebody suggested putting that on. We'll see what happens there. And yeah, we'll just sand a few spots right here, get her done, and see if we can't get her painted up. Yeah. Of course, there's the fall garden. That's what's left of the fall garden. Got a good garden this year. Good garden this year. Did real well. We canned quite a bit. A bunch of them. I don't know offhand how much, but I'll try to put in there. I'll get the information from Miss Cindy, what we done. Okay? All right, well, it's time to go in.